Obi has two four-sided die numbered 1 to 4. He rolls them and multiplies the results. Draw a grid to represent the sample space. So we can put one of the die, let's call it number 1 up there, and the other one here. They're both numbered 1 to 4. We're going to multiply the results. So if he gets a 1 and 1, the result's 1. 1 and 2, the result will be 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. If he gets a 2 and a 2, multiply them, the answer's 4. Then we get 6 and 8. 6 and 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Finally, 4 times 4 is 16. So that's our answer for part A. What's the probability that the result is odd? So, got odd there, odd there, odd there, odd there, and I think all of the other numbers are even. So that's 4 out of 16, which we could cancel to a quarter. Prime. So let's look which of these numbers are prime. Now remember, 1 isn't prime. So we've got 2. 2 is a prime. 3 is a prime. And those are the only prime numbers in there. So again, that's 4 out of 16, which is a quarter. And then finally, we want greater than 8. Now it's greater than 8, and so that's going to be that corner there. Greater than 8 doesn't include 8. So again, that is 4 out of 16, and that one is also a quarter.